Hey all, I'm Scott, and this is PLUGHITZ Live Unboxed. Today we're going to take a look at the at a Vivitar tripod designed for SLR and videos. It is not just a tripod, but a monopod as well, which is interesting. But let's take a look at what it comes with. The box is big, so I apologize. There's no good way to get an angle on this for you guys, so we'll do this. And my wonderful off-screen assistant is going to help me. Okay, so here we have the nicest tripod bag I have ever seen for a tripod in this price range. It's got a handle, it's got a zipper across the side and top. Normally, for a tripod in this price range, you get a really cheap plastic sling that does not last long. This one looks like it will actually survive, which is unbelievably nice. Let's open this up, because obviously it's shipped in its bag. Everybody's favorite, silica gel. So there we have our bag. The bag also has a shoulder strap, not just a hand strap, which was going to be one of the questions I was going to ask, but they've answered it for me. Here we have the tripod itself. Okay. Before we take a look at this, inside the plastic bag is an owner's manual, in case you've not seen a tripod before, I suppose. So here we go. We have the tripod itself. Just alleviated one of my personal fears about it, which is kind of nice. It has, I don't know why, but the head comes with a little velvety pull string bag. We will figure out what that is for at some point. I should probably put that in the frame a little better. I honestly could not tell you what that could possibly be for, unless there are swappable accessories on this thing, which I do not see unless they are in the bag, and I did not see them before. No. All right. I do not know what that little velvety bag is for. Obviously, we will try and figure it out when we read the manual and get ready for the review. Up here at the top, the head, again, unlike other tripods in this price range, the head is fully articulating. It's a full ball, so you don't just get a direct up, down, and pivot. You can theoretically put the camera at any angle you want, which is kind of nice, or could be a pain depending on what it is you're doing, because getting a perfectly level shot might be difficult, or with that much capability when you're not on a level floor, you may actually have more capability to get a level shot without having to, this leg goes up a little bit. And so it'll be interesting to see this thing in action. We will be taking it to Collision as part of our review to see it in action. So really excited to see how this thing performs out in the wild, because obviously there's care and thought put into it. So we're really looking forward to seeing this thing in action. We will see it this week coming up, and then after that the review will be published. But until next time, ciao.